have from, I don't know, maybe 2 months ago. I need to pluck the leaves off and the little seed heads. It's all edible. You can eat it all. You could even eat the stems, but they're hard, and you know, I save that for like tinder for making barbecue. So here I go. Distracted, so to speak, with the sauce. So I took all the seed pods, I guess, off the stems, and now I'm gonna put them into this nice tin, this tea tin that I've been holding on to for years. Been sitting there without a purpose for all this time, and now here we go. Nice airtight container that I can put my good, this one's not done, my good basil into. So like, you know, I get halfway through this process and I realize, hey, I should probably put some newspaper down to keep the mess down. So, alas, there you have it. And I actually have a scoop for it too, so. Ta-da! Chivana. Is that a company still? Anyway. Got my basil put away. That was one good thing to get done today on a rainy day. Tomorrow's supposed to rain as well. And I have a bunch of things I still want to do. I'm not sure which ones I'm going to tackle, but stay tuned.